We might have sent the STI a little bit too hard. Now, a couple weeks ago, I repurchased my old 2007 Subaru STI and it snowed and I decided to have a little bit of fun, center a little bit too hard, and it turns out this thing's now overheating. So today, we gotta figure out what exactly is going on. Do we just have a simple air bubble in our coolant system? Or did we blow it up? Let's go ahead and get this car pulled into my shop so we can properly diagnose what's going on. The store is so bad. I'm hanging on it. We now have the STI sitting in my brand new shop alongside the McLaren. There is so much space here. I could easily have the Honda sitting right next to it. Once we get rid of all the parts, and then in the main workspace, when we get our lift installed this week, I need to go ahead and cut out the concrete so we can re-pour, so we can install our lift. We could easily have a car up on the lift, underneath, to the side, and even up front. So I think we could probably have around 6 cars in storage. Of course, when we're working, we'd have to push some out, which means this year, I need to buy 3 more cars. But now let's go through, diagnose this car. I'm crossing my fingers here that we do not have a lifted head. Now, I was on limiter for hours on end. Truthfully, I would not be surprised if we did cause some damage, but it sucks. This engine has about 1,000, maybe 1,500 miles on it. It is a bone stock engine with ARP 2000 head studs. I hate those head studs with a passion, but that's all I had for this car. So let's go ahead, try to re-bleed our coolant system and cross our fingers that it just needs to be re-bled. In the back seat here, we got our coolant funnel. This thing comes in handy. If you guys don't have this for a vehicle, I highly recommend picking one of these up. Then we also have another quart of our antifreeze. Do you think I blew a head gasket?
I mean, probably. It's a Subaru.
Here's also the thing, yeah, it's a Subaru. All Subarus have lift head gaskets. I've owned Subarus for the last 7 or 8 years now. Never once have I ever lifted a head gasket. I've made some crazy power, especially my VA, made almost 1,200 wheel horsepower. Never once had a head gasket issue. I'll throw some clips of my cars in the dyno and the track and stuff like that. But I hope this is not the first Subaru I have where I lift a head. I guess we can see if there's coolant in here. It does look low on coolant. I hope it takes it like a good boy. It's down quite a bit of coolant. Scenario is I'm on a pretty tight deadline with this car. As you guys maybe saw a couple videos ago, I am doing an insane build on here. I am putting backcountry snow tracks. I have a full lift kit on the way. That is the next thing I'm doing to this car. So I need this car operational. Now, over my years building Subarus, I have accumulated some extra parts. So on my nice lev rack shelf here, I have a set of brand new Manly rods, pistons, some new rings, bearings, and a crank. Now, I have never built an EJ motor before. My first motor I ever built was for my Honda, my K-Series engine. Josh has built all my EJs in the past, but since I have all new parts for this, in the background, we can go ahead and assemble my very first EJ, get a built engine in it, as we are gonna be doing some crazy stuff off-roading in the snow. Ideally, I should have a built motor in here anyway. I just did not want to do unnecessary work if I didn't need to. No, I don't know. I've never had to diagnose a lifted head before. I've never had that issue, surprisingly. Everyone thinks that Subarus lift heads. It's not really the case. If you have a good tuner and you have a proper engine setup, you're not going to lift a head. I think we're good. It's not taking in any more coolant. We'll let it idle for a sec, cap it, shut the hood, and let's go do a street hit. Cap this off. You want to drive? Have you ever driven a Subaru?
Actually, no.
You want to drive it?
Sure. It's gonna blow up though. I don't know.
Well, if it's gonna blow up, it's gonna blow up. So
as long as I don't think if I'm not liable for it, sure.
Will you pay for the engine?
No, hell no. It's a quarter.
I'm gonna take a photo,
That's about a quarter.
and then we'll compare it to after the fact.
It's a quarter. Trust. It's a quarter.
So it goes. Okay, I have a. This will either be full or it won't be full.
Is
it's
quarter
full-
bad?
No,
Or is quarter good?
No, whatever's in there is fine.
Okay.
That's not going to tell us anything. It's
Okay.
after the pull. If this gets flooded with coolant, that means it's a lifted head. Most definitely going to fix these garage doors. Praying for my life here.
Wow. First time having an STI.
Not mine.
6 speed, right?
Yeah, 6-speed.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna need to do clutch
clutch.
after this. You've never driven any sort of super, have you? I'm curious what you think of it. What's the fastest car you've driven? Probably Jake's.
The SVJ, probably.
The SV. You've driven the SVJ?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This.
I have one in my garage.
Okay, you're good to do something here. I would do second gear.
Like floored or what?
Yeah, you floor it. Like bang gears.
That sounds kind of cool.
The wastegate when it opens up is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Well, so far,
Yeah, how's
it's
it
not
look?
overheating.
Yeah, that's good.
Coolant temperatures are optimal. It's 189 right now.
Yeah, that wastegate, dude.
It sounds
Yeah,
so
that sounds
good.
Cool. That sounds cool. Downtown Spokane, baby. Hell yeah.
We're not downtown Spokane at all.
Downtown.
This is North Spokane.
Dude, that's kind of fun.
It sounds so good.
That sounds good.
Dude, coolant temperatures are fantastic right now.
Really gotta wait for RPMs to raise. Wow, even there. Wait for them quite a bit.
Here, let's pull over where you can, and we'll check the overflow.
Right here.
No, you can keep. There's a parking lot.
Okay.
Not a single drop pushed. I'm so happy right now. Now let's go blow up this head gasket.
Sounds good.
All right, I'm driving. I'll show you how to flat foot this thing.
Fuck. Oh, you can? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. I mean, you're still hitting the gears pretty good, just for. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm gonna do second gear.
Oh, wow. Okay. What really throws me off is it's so unstable.
This goes like
it
this.
it's like a front wheel drive. It torque steers, dude. What the hell?
Oh, every bushing of this thing is shot. It's so bad. It goes so far side, like left to right.
Torque
left
steer in
to
an
right.
all-wheel drive manual? That sucks. Oh, you got seat warmers, dude. No way.
Yeah. This is funny. The 07 STI did not come with seat warmers unless you had a limited, which has a sunroof. But this is a Canadian car, so they all had seat warmers.
Very
I don't
nice.
know, kind of cool. But also, like the temperature is all Celsius.
Does it have a maple syrup holder in here?
Maple syrup somewhere. Dude, coolant's perfect.
So you're just romping on it then, probably in the snow?
Yeah, one either is just low on coolant. I don't know. I don't know. But I was also beating the absolute crap out of this car in the snow.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I was unlimited for so long. And if I was overheating it and it was burning, so I don't know. You hear all like the suspension stuff, all the shot bushings.
Jake's
it
on
just
Ford
sounds-
used to do that.
Once I get, because I have my rally suspension coming, which is going to lift it 3 inches for the snow tracks, I'll go through and change all the bushings.
Dude, it feels refreshing to drive a manual and like have fun in it, you know? Corvette's like fun, but it's kind of scary at the same time.
Yeah.
Like this is just, you could dick around and just bang gears. You'd be stranded out here.
No.
It's a Subaru.
Plenty charged.
We don't have AAA.
I do have AAA actually. She's golden.
Nice.
You want to flat foot it now?
Hell yeah.
Oh, I know Jean is having the most fun time in his life right now. Let's see if he misses a gear here though. Hammer down. There we go, Sean. It sounds incredible. He can drive. Let's go. Yeah, baby.
Oh, this shit's fun, bro. Holy fuck.
You can drive, boy.
Oh, yeah. That's kind of fun.
Yo, what was that down shit?
I know.
A red line down shit.
I was trying to, oh well.
The dangerous part about this though is it's so much fun you don't want to stop.
Yeah, I know.
It's like you just want to keep doing hits. Coolant's still looking perfect though. I mean, how many hits have we done? Like we've done
3.
10. Whoa,
Well, you did too. Yeah.
We've done like 10 hits here already.
Yeah, true. Yeah,
Not
she does
too
good.
bad.
She does good.
Little stock engine that could.
Yeah, not bad. The clutch feels good when it shifts and yeah. Flat foot, yeah, it feels rough, but that clutch can take it, no problem.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
Now I'm curious. I was obviously able to get this thing sideways in the snow.
No, I'm not doing that.
Do you think I can get it sideways on dry pavement?
Yeah, how much horsepower? 370?
370. All-wheel drive. We might have to end this off with trying to get it sideways.
There's a good chance. There's a good chance. 370 can do it.
And I think that has to end it off though before we blow it up. Do you know of an open
100%.
parking lot?
Let me think.
In Mexico?
Oh, this is Mexico.
This is Mexico. We might have to use Google Maps to know where we're going here.
Or Google Maps. Los Maps, you mean? Yeah, keep going, bro.
No
That
way.
shit looks badass. Keep going.
No way, get in. Hop in.
Get in? Okay, fit.
Second gear is a little bit too much load.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh, I
get
can smell
out of
that.
here.
I can smell that clutch.
Yeah, I was dumping it because I threw second gear hoping to get more wheel speed. But
Yeah, I didn't like it.
that's pretty sick.
That's
That's
badass.
pretty sick. I kind of want to go see our tire marks though.
Dude, there's like no one out there. Could have done a few.
I know, I felt bad though. I didn't want to be that much of a nuisance. This is the best car ever, dude.
I know. It's like,
What?
Yeah.
Well, if drifting in the snow for hours on end, and what we just did tonight didn't blow it up, this thing is.
Yeah.
this
I mean, dude,
killable.
I gave it some sauce too.
Oh, dude,
so,
you're
yeah.
banging gears. I thought you were gonna miss a gear.
Nah, hell no. Dude, I like how the wheels are like so wide, you know, like they stick out quite a
They're
bit.
most definitely a pretty aggressive fitment. Well, imagine the snow tracks. Did I send you the photos? My snow tracks will be about here. It's about 4.5 feet wider
What the
on both
hell?
sides.
Why?
He has like a custom trailer that is the only thing that can fit this car.
Oh,
when we go
dang.
into the mountains. It's literally, the track goes, it's like 4.5 feet wider.
Don't you have to put like a wide load sticker on your truck then if you tow it? Or something like
I
that?
ain't towing with my truck. But you guys gotta stay tuned because now that we know this thing isn't blown up, the rally suspension shows up in a couple days. There'll be a next video lifting this car. And then that same day, we're gonna drop this car off at our boys at Traxbrax. And they're gonna retrofit this whole car with some backcountry snow tracks. I guess the stock long block is unkillable. And we're just now tapping into what is to come with this car. We are going to be beating the absolute living crap out of this thing. So if we do end up taking out this stock engine up in the mountains, I'm gonna go ahead and just assemble this built engine that I have just on deck in the background. So if this ever does go, it's a quick weekend job. We get this engine out, get the new built engine back in, and then take this thing back up into the mountains. But there we have it. The STI seems to be unkillable. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and if you're not already, subscribe. We're days away from crossing 100,000 subscribers. We have some crazy, crazy content coming with all of the cars. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, keep going, bro.